Hi, my name is Lalita. I had a fabulous opportunity to collaborate with Amy to create a 745-minute lesson plan on AI human teaming and the scientific method.
So this lesson is an excellent lesson. It's geared towards middle school, but easily adaptable to high school level and has a limited supply list, so it's inexpensive to do. The most important thing you need is a computer for the SimuLab link.
So the basic objective is learning about the scientific method and also the SimuLab and generate data, compare and contrast.
So the career connections that we have there's a multitude of STEM careers that are available, but all of this came out of my research project that I did with Dr. Stephen Thurman, who's a neuroscientist in California. And he is very interested in human cognition and machine intelligence and how the two intersect.
So the first engagement, so we basically put 5 different sections to teach each step of the scientific process with the video links and also a story map.
In the exploration section, this is our hands-on lab section, and we did a measuring lung capacity, but the great news is you can tailor this lab to be whatever you want it to be that fits with your class and what you're studying. The most important thing you need to do for this to work is your students need to design and create a hypothesis with an independent, dependent variable, constants, and controls so that they can use it to compare to the AI. So as long as you're doing that, you're good.
So in the explanation section, so we introduce AI. It's important for students to understand the AI biases, fake news, how to identify them. For that purpose, we have included a lot of resources to suit middle school, high school, and all types of students.
So as part of our section, as our lesson in the Elaborate section, we've recorded a video on how to set up SimuLab. This is where your students will really get their hands into the AI experience. So let's play that video. All right, Lalitha, you have it open. This is SimuLab. SimuLab is an AI-powered scientific data generator, and it is a great tool for students to use. You can start at the top and put in your I wonder question or a research question for older students. You can hit generate parameters with AI. Do you have a question that your students have come up with that you can put in?
Yeah,
All right, that's a great one. Vital
that's
lung
good.
capacity. So as you can see, the SimuLab filled out the hypothesis, the independent, dependent variables, control, trials, and constants, which is great for students who are new to the scientific method and trying to figure that out. But you can also edit each of these boxes and put your own information in there. So what do you
So
think of what it generated?
I would like to add students' fitness level and student ID because I have multiple students. And also in the vital lung capacity balloon size, I want to do the diameter in centimeter,
All right.
So let's see what does it generates.
Did you like the hypothesis that it came up
I
with?
loved it. I loved it.
Perfect.
Oh
Okay,
my God.
so the AI explanation right here, it gives you an explanation of what it considered when generating your data. And then right below it is the simulated data table. Now you did this experiment with your students in class. What do you think of this data?
I
Is it
cannot,
comparable?
you will not believe, Amy, when I did in my classroom last week for all the 10-year-olds, so the data was from 14 to 22. I cannot believe that AI almost accurately measured that, 14 to 22. Wow.
Wow,
This is unbelievable.
that's amazing. Okay,
It's
so now
all
here we
so
have our
beautiful.
customized chart and data because it will graph the data for your students. And this is all the boxes that allow you to customize that chart. So scroll down, you'll see the chart.
Wow.
So
Beautiful.
now you'll see it actually plotted every data point as far as their fitness level being low, medium, and high, which, we
Mhm.
would take averages of that. So if you go back up, you'll see there's a box that you can click for plotting
Average.
averages.
Yep.
Now, if you go back down,
Wow. Beautiful.
it has made them into the averages. So it works, gives you a beautiful graph. It will help your students with their graphing and learning how to graph. And then right above, there's 3 buttons that allow you
Yeah.
to download everything.
This is unbelievable. I love it.
All
Thank
right.
you.
You're very welcome. Enjoy.
Final for evaluation, students compare both the data and create a report or slideshow or poster as a gallery walk to get the teacher and peer feedback. We have included a rubric to go with that. I hope you enjoy the lesson.
And thank you so much for the Reset team for this amazing experience. Bye bye.